We'll guide you through how to connect internet from a mobile to a laptop using a USB cable. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to do, as you can see at the moment I'm not currently connected to the internet on the laptop and I want to be able to, so I can browse it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and grab the cable, we're going to go and plug one end into the laptop, so we can go and plug it in just over here. Then after you've gone and plugged it in with the laptop, you grab the other end and you want to go and have the phone unlocked. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and plug it in. You should go and see that it will go and start charging. Now you want to go and drag down like this. You need to go and find USB 4 and go and tap there. Make sure it's set to transferring files or USB tethering. Next, go and swipe up on your device. And then what you need to do is come to your settings. You want to go and find the option for connections. And you want to go down to mobile hotspot and tethering. And you want to switch on USB tethering. Share your phone's internet connection using a USB cable. Switch it on, and shortly you're going to go and see it will go and change to connected on the laptop. We're now connected. Leave a like if you found this useful.